Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am showing you how you can repair cracks in your polymer clay sculptures. I hope you will find this video useful. This Dachshund sculpture has unfortunately developed a lot of cracks during curing. I don't know why these cracks happened. There are two reasons why cracks can appear. You haven't conditioned your clay thoroughly enough, or moisture got somehow trapped in the clay. You will need liquid clay such as Fimo, well-conditioned clay in the same color of your sculpture, and a tool to smooth clay or add fur with. I use knitting needles for this and these tapestry needles. It's actually easier to repair cracks on sculptures that have a fur texture. You also need a toothpick for the liquid clay and a craft knife. Make sure your clay is very thin, as you only need to add tiny amounts to cover the cracks. I use tiny sausages for the cracks. Add the liquid clay to the crack and pick up a small piece of your clay and cover the crack. Then smooth over your clay. If your sculpture has fur, then use your tapestry needle to follow the already existing fur lines. Do this for all cracks in your sculpture. This dog is now ready for curing. 20 to 30 minutes should be enough time, as I only added tiny amounts of clay. And this is the repaired dog after curing. I hope you found this video useful. Ideally, you don't have to do this very often. So make sure you always work with well-conditioned clay. Let the clay rest for a day before curing and make sure there is no moisture that could get trapped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you liked the video, make sure to like and share it. Thank you for watching and happy claying!